Wearing white in foreign again.
Come make wash out 2 pieces of white clothes. So this is Ariel Fab. We can get a cake soap and there's something there. But I went to Walmart, they have Blanca and they have Ariel. We used to use Blanca in Jamaica, but girl can't afford Ariel now. So yeah, it's Ariel. Bye-bye. And yeah, in Jamaica, Ariel have your arm and a leg. So normally would I use Blanca. But yeah. This is a good girl washing out her white dress. I've worn this just a couple months back. We just put it back in my closet. So I have 2 stuff from here wash out. I'm bring up from Jamaica and make a spill on them and kind of stain them. However, I hope the stain not permanent at this point in time when I wash. But then remember this dress, I'm going to go grab it and wash it out. You hear them good scoops there? Like, if you're there Jamaica, you under scoops like this, that means your clothes not wash good. Your mother have to area scoop. Your sister have to area scoop. Your brother have to area scoop. Your granny have to area scoop. And your neighbor have to area scoop. If you can't scoop, that means you cannot wash. So this is how we determine that people could wash in Jamaica. Notice it have mesh and everything. That's why I want to put it in the machine, and I'm not a fan of putting white clothes in the machine. If you want to do that, you do that. But me like my white, them stay pearly white, and my cream, them stay pearly cream. So yeah, I rather wash them with me and do what you want to do. So this is one of the top that got messed up in my suitcase, and things are beer spill on it. So I never wear it before, but yeah, so I have a rinse it out and thing. I got it off Shein, one of them cute trendy little color looking top there. So thank God it was a permanent, it was no permanent stain. So I scoops in it came out, and I was happy with the result because you don't know, say it's brand new and more wear my look money. And also this is my bomber jacket. I also take this to Jamaica, never get to wear it, so rinse it out and whoop, say it no run and it no stain. So look on nice clean, so close them well nice and clean. And it's time to rinse, so you don't know, say you get a fresh water and you pour your fabric softener and you rinse out your clothes. Voila!